bugs in the pharmacy? Maybe pause that call to the exterminator. Those insects could be a step towards cheaper medicine. Insects have been used as natural remedies for centuries. Egyptian art depicts the honeybee as a source of natural medicine. Bee venom was commonly used for therapies in ancient Egypt and other countries. Along with Egypt, China is also well versed in exotic ingredients for traditional medicine. For example, the Chinese blister beetle Milabris can treat multiple skin-related diseases. Many Asian countries included insects in their traditional medicinal practices. However, the West wasn't fully aware of the potential of insects just yet.
In 1970, The Entomology of the Cadaver was published by Alan M. Easton and Kenneth G. V. Smith.
It detailed the use of insects in forensic science. By studying the types of insects on a corpse, one could determine the stage of decomposition and how old the body is. This was a huge development in utilizing insects in science and discovery. Forensic entomology resulted in the creation of entomotoxicology, the study of how drugs affect insects. This in-depth study of insect development and biology created a space to recognize the potential of insects in the medical field. A question to be asked is, how can bugs be useful in drug development? And there are multiple great answers. Insects provide an efficient platform for synthesizing modified eukaryotic proteins in large amounts. They are widely used in the production of vaccines. Cell lines are commonly used to host viruses in order to test vaccines. The most common cell lines come from the fall armyworm. Insects are also great for in vivo, or within the living, testing. Typically, mice, rats, or guinea pigs are used in this stage of testing, but this creates ethical and cost issues. The immune responses of insects and mammals have functional and structural similarities, meaning that insects are being used to study drug efficiency. Insects are much easier to get, and the testing is often faster than with mammals. The reason many insects are easy to get is because of insect farming/rearing. While most information about insect farming is regarding food, the process of rearing for drug development would be similar. A very common strategy is a tray system consisting of stackable boxes of insects. You can fit tons of insects in a compact area, which supports large-scale production. Insects are great for drug development because there are many illnesses that insects are already being studied for, but the ones I will talk about in this video are cancer and diabetes. According to Willis's article, over 1,500 species of blister beetles use cantharidin, a compound used as a chemical defense. The compound kills skin cells, causing blisters. Kevin Andre Scott, a fellow at the University of Arizona Arkin Coit College of Pharmacy, worked with cantharidin in the lab and tweaked some of its molecules, vastly expanding the chemical possibilities. His goal is to make the molecule more specific so that it kills cancer cells without killing healthy cells. Diabetes has also been a target of insect-based development. According to the Stanford Medicine article, employees of Stanford University School of Medicine found cells in the fruit fly brain that makes insulin. By further studying fruit flies, scientists can better understand how insulin-producing cells develop and function. It is believed that fruit flies can serve as a model organism for discovering drugs that affect glucose regulation and hypoglycemia. Insects are by far the most abundant organism on the planet. There are approximately 1.4 billion insects for every person on Earth. I know that statistic sounds horrifying, but there's a bright side. Insects can become a sustainable source of medicine. Everyone knows that insects are not too hard to find, making them a path to cheaper drug development and medicine. Maybe next time you see a bug in your house, you won't break down the boot or a newspaper. Maybe you'll thank them for what they can do for you. Or not.
Thank you, Professor McKnight, for giving me the space to make this video possible.